to replace the gas cap, of course, first open up the door, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pop this one off of the door here. It has a little retainer, using a plastic trim tool so I don't damage the paint. Sometimes these are pretty stuck in here. There we go. And now just go ahead and unscrew it. Now, why would you want to replace it? Well, maybe the gasket in here is bad. It's not making a good seal and it's triggering a check engine light, or maybe something else is wrong with it. Maybe it's cracked. And to install the new one, if you had a new one, just go ahead and line it up. And when you tighten it, make sure it clicks a couple times. And of course, resecure it on the door here. Go ahead and close this. And now reset any check engine lights if you had any.